Elon Musk's Tesla Electro Phone is here. Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX, has just announced his newest invention, the Tesla Electro Phone. It's an innovative piece of technology that is sure to change the way we use our phones forever. Check out the video to see all it can do. What is the Tesla Electro Phone? In early October, Elon Musk teased that he would be unveiling a new product at an event on October 17th. With the unveiling coming so close to Halloween, many expected the new product to be a flamethrower. Instead, Elon unveiled a phone called the Tesla Electron. The phone was designed in collaboration with British designer sujeehitechluxury. The design of the phone is based on the first ever portable phone from 1973 and features a sliding cover that acts as both a screen protector and its own case. How does it work? The phone has a massive touch-screen display that covers the entire front of the device. The 16:9 aspect ratio gives you more viewing area than traditional displays, which typically have a 4:3 aspect ratio. This means that the Tesla Electro Phone will provide plenty of room for text messages, web browsing, and video watching. There's also a front-facing camera with 8 megapixels so you can take great selfies and share them with your friends on social media. What are the benefits? One of the benefits of this phone is that it lasts a lot longer than other phones on the market. It can last for up to 400 hours when used for voice calls and 550 hours when used for text messages. Plus, this phone has an amazing battery life and it charges quickly. It also has a great camera with beautiful pictures and videos, which are taken in different lighting conditions. Other features include an alarm clock and an easy-to-use interface with touchscreen navigation. How much does it cost? The price for this phone starts at $850 and can go up to $1,100. The higher-priced version includes a bundle of options with the phone that are normally bought separately, such as a wireless charger for the car. There are some key differences between this phone and your typical smartphone. First, it doesn't have a headphone jack, so you'll need to use wireless headphones or connect via Bluetooth. Second, the device only comes in black. Third, there will be an app store that will be curated by humans instead of Google or Apple.